Hello everyone, how are you all? Welcome in this video. Before we start, I want to tell you something that this lockdown time is very important for you because you are staying at home, no need to go to schools. So study regularly, study honestly, be with your family, be happy and be fit. Now keep continue. I am going to solve question number 7 to 10 of exercise 2.5. It is related to linear equations in one variable from page number 35. This is the page, relevant page of your textbook. So question number 7 is simplify and solve the following linear equations. You have to simplify first, then you have to solve. The question is 3 multiplied by t minus 3 equal to 5 multiplied by 2t plus 1. 3t minus 3 equals 5 2t plus 1. In this equation we have to find the value of t. Then simplify the brackets, so it becomes 3t minus 3 3 is 9, it becomes 5 2 is 10t plus it becomes 5 1 is 5. Now collect the like terms, so this is 3t, this is 10t. 3t minus 10t equals, this is 5, it 9 is transposed to right hand side, becomes positive. Listen carefully, 10t is positive on RHS, so if it transpose to LHS it becomes negative. Now 3t minus 10t, whenever you have to solve this kind of expression, आपको एक बहुत सिंपल सी चीज़ करनी है. ये t को आपको कॉन्सेंट्रेट नहीं करना है, t को आप भूल जाइए एक बार. 3 माइनस 10 कितना होता है? -7. सो इट इज -7 और उसके आगे आपको t लिखना है. 5 प्लस 9 14, t इक्वल्स -14, t इक्वल्स 14 अपॉन -7 एंड t इक्वल्स -2. This is the solution. So it is the answer of 7th question of exercise 2.5. Let's check the answer. Exercise 2.5. 7th, t equals -2. Okay. Now question number 8. Students, note it down. Question number 8 is y minus 4 minus 2 y minus 9 plus 5 y plus 6 equals 0. 15 y minus 4 minus 2 y minus 9 plus 5 y plus 6 equals 0. As you can see, this equation is written in variable y, means we have to find the value of y. जो भी वेरिएबल इक्वेशन में होता है तो इक्वेशन का ऑब्जेक्टिव क्या होता है? हमें उस वेरिएबल की वैल्यू फाइंड करनी है. नाउ सिंप्लीफाई ऑल द ब्रैकेट्स. 15y जा 15y minus 15 4 जा 60. And now be careful for this bracket because there is a minus sign outside the bracket, so we have to change the sign of all these quantities inside the bracket. ये y पॉजिटिव है तो ये नेगेटिव बन जाएगा और ये हो जाएगा 2y. इट इज नेगेटिव, इट बिकम्स पॉजिटिव एंड 9 2 जा 18. नाउ देयर इज अ प्लस साइन, सो वी डोंट नीड टू चेंज द साइन. ओके, इट इज 5y, इट इज 5 3 जा 5 6 जा 30 equals 0. Now on the left hand side we have to collect all the terms containing y. 15, listen carefully, 15 minus 2, हम सिर्फ y के जो टर्म्स हैं उन पर फोकस कर रहे हैं. 15 minus 2 13, 13 plus 5 18, so it is 18y. And what about constant values? -16 plus 18 and plus 30, so transpose these constants to RHS. -60 becomes 60, plus 18 becomes -18 and plus 30 becomes -30. So it is 18y equals, now what is minus 18 and minus 30? Both are negative, so add both these, put the same sign. 18y equals, what is 60 minus 48? So it is 12. Okay, y equals 12 upon 18. As you can see, both are divisible by 6. 6 2 ja 12, 6 3 ja 18. So y equals 2 upon 3. This is the answer of question number 8. Okay, students, pause the video and note it down. Sometimes you can take a screenshot of this video because that screenshot can be used later. So note it down. Next question is question number 9. Let's see what is this. Question number 9 is 3 multiplied by 5x minus 7 minus 2 9z minus 11 equals 4, 8z minus 13 minus 17. Let's check it again. 3 5x minus 7 5z minus, sorry, it is 5z minus 7 minus 2 9z minus 11 equals 4, 8z minus 13 minus 17. Okay, now this is z, so you have to write z in a particular way so that it can be distinguished from 2. z और 2 जो है वो अगर हम अच्छे से नहीं लिखेंगे तो सिमिलर दिखेंगे, ठीक है, यहाँ पे मिस्टेक हो सकती है, तो आपको 2 और z इस तरह से नहीं लिखना है, z आप इस तरह से लिखेंगे. Okay, now simplify this. So this is equal sign, it is RHS, it is RHS. Now simplify left hand side. It is 3 5 ja 15z minus 3 7 ja 21. It is, there is minus sign out the bracket, so it is positive, it becomes negative. 2 9 ja 18. This minus is converted into plus. 11 2 ja 22 equals 4 8 जा 32z. ओके, अगर आप 2 को इस तरह से लिखेंगे तो ज़्यादा इजी रहेगा बिकॉज यहाँ पर z भी है, ठीक है. 4 8 जा 32 माइनस 13 4 जा 52 माइनस 17. ओके, नाउ ऑन द लेफ्ट हैंड साइड सिंप्लीफाई द टर्म्स. 15z minus 18z, that is minus 3z, minus 21 and plus 22, it is plus 1, because in addition if we have opposite signs we have to perform subtraction and take the sign of bigger value. On the right hand side it is 32z minus 52 minus 17, so it is 69. Okay, now collect the like terms. Minus 3z, this 32z is transposed to left hand side, becomes minus 32 equals minus 69. This one is transposed to right hand side, becomes minus 1. Now it is minus 35z equals minus 70. Okay, cancel both the negative signs. Z equals 70 upon 35, z equals 2, so 35 2 ja 70. Okay, z equals 2. This is the answer of question number 9. Okay students, so listen, you have to solve each step very carefully. आपको स्टेप बाय स्टेप इनको सिंप्लीफाई करते रहना है. इतना नहीं सोचना है कि बहुत सारे वेरिएबल्स हैं, बहुत सारे कॉन्स्टेंट्स हैं. डोंट थिंक टू मच, सिर्फ सिंप्लीफाई करते रहना है, ठीक है, बिल्कुल धीरे धीरे आराम से, एंड डेफिनेटली यू विल गेट द करेक्ट आंसर. सो पॉज द वीडियो, नोट इट डाउन. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज क्वेश्चन नंबर 10. I hope you are enjoying and getting the topics well. 10th question is It is the most important question of this exercise. 0.25, 40 minus 3 equals 0.05 into 10t minus 9. Okay, 0.25, 40 minus 3 equals 0.05, 10t minus 9. Now there is something special in this equation. It is a number in decimal form, 0.25 and 0.05. तो आपको क्या करना है? Listen, from the next step you have to convert this decimal number into a fraction form. Okay, and it is 40 minus 3 equals 5 upon 100, 10t minus 9. Because there are two digits after decimal, okay, to the right hand side, so we will write 100 as a denominator. Because there are two zeros, again there are two digits after decimal, so we will write 100. Now you can cancel out 100 directly. ठीक है, and you can cancel out this 25 by 5 also. So it is now simplified. You can write the same equation in this way. You can write 5 1 5. Okay, listen again, 100 is cancelled on both the sides because it is same क्वांटिटी को हम कैंसिल कर सकते हैं. ठीक है, और न्यूमरेटर में 5 है और 25, सो हमने 5 से डिवाइड किया है. 5 1 5 एंड 5 5 से 25. नाउ दिस इज 5 इंटू 40 माइनस 3 एंड इट बिकम्स 1 इंटू 10t माइनस 9. नो नीड टू राइट 1 बिकॉज इन मल्टीप्लीकेशन 1 हैज नो मीनिंग. सिंप्लीफाई दिस, 5 4 जा 20, t minus 5 3 जा 15, it is 10t minus 9. So 20t minus 10t equals minus 9 plus 15. It is 10t equals 6. Okay, 20 minus 10 is 10 and 15 minus 9 6. T equals to 6 upon 10. 2 3 ja 6, 2 5 ja 10 and t equals 3 upon 5. This is the answer. So answer of question 10 is 3 upon 5. Okay, and in the book it is given 0.6, so don't bother about it, because if you divide 3 by 5 you get 0.6, so you can write 0.6 also. This is the answer of question number 10. Okay students, I hope you understood these questions well. Erase this rough work. So these are the today's questions, question number 7 to 10. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Wait for the next video students. Have a nice time.